To install Proteus, you're going to need access to an installation file. If you're a new user to Proteus, this will come direct from Labcenter Electronics. You'll be able to download the installation file directly from their website using the credentials they supply in their email. To install the latest version, if you've already got Proteus installed with an update support contract, all you need to do is click on the install button for the latest version available directly within the homepage. We're going to left click on this button and you'll then see the latest Proteus setup wizard. Click Next. Accept the terms of the agreement. Click Next. You can choose a single user installation or for all users on the current computer. If you want to install to a removable drive, make sure you select the Only for Me single user installation. Click Next. And from here you can choose portable, custom or typical. We're going to choose typical. The time taken to run the setup file was around about a minute, so not too long to wait at all. Remember that you can run Proteus 8 Professional and Proteus 9 Professional side by side. Once Proteus 9 has been installed, you can either close the setup file or you can run Proteus 9 Professional.